my god, you guys, I broke my nail. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. It's like so bad. And it's my real nail too. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to be getting my hair cut. I'm so excited because I'm going to be touching up my pink side. Originally, I was going to do purple on this side, like a lavender, like an in-between lavender and purple. I was going to do on this side, and I will get a trim on my hair. So, because I really need to get this, I don't know if you guys can see, but I really need to get this side touched up. My roots are like growing in like crazy. But I'm about to go into work now, you guys, and just start cleaning up and do some boss things, I guess. I will see you guys later on. Alright, you guys, I am back. I'm out. I'm refreshed. What do you guys think? It's a lot brighter. I feel so much better. The color that she used is actually a lot brighter than the pink that I had before. So yeah. And then there's like a little bit of hair dye right there, but she couldn't get it out. I'll probably get it out later. I was dying in there. I was like, oh my god, I cannot wait to go home so I can take a nap. But yeah, I'll probably see you guys later. So bye.
"2,000 years later."
Good morning, you guys. Look at my hair. So I dyed my hair pink, the entire head. So when I did this black side, I had to bleach it out twice. And after bleaching it, the next day, like, I woke up and I kind of regret it. There was a lot of breakage in my hair, especially on this side. The first time I did the pink on my right side, there wasn't a lot of breakage. With my left side, there was plenty of breakage, like a lot. Like, I lost a lot of hair, and I really wish that I wouldn't have gotten my hair cut first and then decide to bleach this side. I was actually going to wait like maybe like a couple weeks just to do it, so that way the black can actually grow out a little bit more, because it hasn't even been 6 weeks, I think, since I did the half and half. So yeah, I kind of regret it a little bit, but I actually like the color though. So there's still a little bit around my hairline, the dye, so I have to get that out pretty soon. I'm actually gonna go to the hair store and get some stuff to take that out. But yeah, I really like it. Don't mind how this looks. It's just because the way she cut it, I did layers, but especially in the back area right here of my head, there's a lot of breakage. There's actually still a lot of breakage. So my hair is starting to thin out a little bit, but if I wanted the pink, I had to pay the price. So my hair does grow back pretty fast, so it does thicken up pretty fast, so I'm not really too worried about it. I'm just still happy that I have a full head of hair. My hair was so thin and so damaged to the point where I literally cut my hair like this short. Like, my hair was like right here to my chin or my jawline, because I never took care of it. I never moisturized it or conditioned it. I never treated my scalp or anything. And this time, the reason why it's not I still have a full head of hair is because I have been taking care of my hair a lot more. I've been doing treatments for my scalp. I've been doing hair conditioning like hair mask for my hair. And so yeah, that's the reason why I have a whole bunch of hair left, and I'm not gonna cut it this time. I'm just gonna let it grow and let it do its thing, because I'm telling you guys, within the next couple of days or so, my hair is gonna get back to normal, so I'm not worried about it. But anyways, you guys, I'm about to go to work now. I'm gonna go get my coffee and then I'm gonna go to work. So I will see you guys. I will see you guys later. Good morning, you guys. I'm making my coffee right now, and because I need to be awake because I'm going to be editing some videos today. And then I'm actually gonna drink my coffee, gonna walk the dogs. Well, actually, I'm gonna walk the dogs while I'm making the coffee, and then go and edit some videos. And then I'm going to be doing stuff around the house because there's just so many things that I need to do. I need to clean. I'm probably gonna go to Target later to get a couple things to clean, so I don't know yet. It's like snowing outside right now, or it was snowing, but I don't know if I feel like going. I'm probably just gonna stay home and just edit and then just lounge around and not do nothing today. I'm about to go walk the dogs because they have been crying all morning, and yeah. Charlie, what's wrong, Charlie? You ready to go outside? Want to go play in the snow? Huh? Do you want to play in the snow, Charlie? Let's go. Come on. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Up. There go that one. You want to play too? Let's go play. Hey, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Sit. Sit. Sit for mommy. Sit. Good boy. Give me paw. Good boy. Ready? Let's go. Charlie, what's wrong? What's wrong? Charles, what's wrong? Mommy's editing. And here comes the big baby. Up here he comes. What? What's up with you guys? Don't mind my mess right there, you guys. I'm cleaning it up now. Hey, what's wrong? Charles? left Target, so I'm on my way home now. Oh, you guys, it was so crowded in there. It was so crowded, and the drive up was also crowded too today. It took them like 2.5 hours for them to give me a notice when the drive up was going to be done, or when my order was going to be done. And then I got here, I waited like 15 minutes, not so bad, but oh my god, guys, you see my face is breaking out like crazy. Oh, you guys, I cannot wait to go home. People are so insane right now. Chicken nuggets, because I was craving that today. Got some tomatoes. I got some chicken patties. I'm actually making this tonight for dinner with, let me show you guys. I'm gonna use these flat out folded flatbreads, I guess. I'm gonna use that with the chicken patties, and I'm gonna do romaine lettuce, tomatoes, and I'm probably gonna do like a side of fries, french fries. I'm not too sure yet, but yeah. And of course I got some broccoli for the next day's chicken breast dinner. So yeah, you guys. And then I also got me some cucumbers too. Hey you guys, so I'm actually going to end this vlog right here. I have some more editing that I need to do. Also, I still have to clean, and yeah, I have a whole bunch of stuff that I need to do. So I will see you guys later. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.